Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to resize rows and columns in Google Sheets. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, for example here I have a case that I want to change the size of column B. One way to do this would be to simply click here and drag it to the right. But this has a problem, and that is that if I want to do the same with column C, it would be asymmetrical. Well, there is a solution, and it is very simple. I will select the columns that I want to resize. Right-click Resize Columns, and here we will put a size to our taste. For example, I will put 120, then click on OK. And now both will have the same size. The same in this case with the rows. If I do this, it will probably look ugly and unsymmetrical. So I will select all three. Right-click Resize Rows. And here, I'll choose the right size. It can be any size. I put 30 to give the example. And that's it. Leave me a like and subscribe if the video helped you. Thank you very much. See you soon.